Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I eat in a day, and it's going to be all vegan. Now let's get started, and I'm going to begin with breakfast. I don't have a toaster, so I'm going to be broiling it, and it takes about 2 minutes on each side for it to be toasty and gold. So while the bread is toasting, I'm going to be making some tea. And this one right here is Tasso's passion tea. It's so good. And I'm also going to be adding some raw agave. Isn't this little teapot so cute? I got it from Ross and it was like $11.99. So cute. I had to get it because it's blue, my favorite color. Okay, so now the toast is done, and we're gonna go ahead and spread our toast with the almond butter. You don't have to add chia seeds, but I like to. I also went ahead and cut up some strawberries, and voila, you have the most quick and easy breakfast. Now it's lunchtime, and I decided to make a quinoa wrap. You're gonna need 1 cup of quinoa, and for 1 cup you use 2 cups of water. You're going to mix it together and let it boil. Once it starts to boil, you simmer it for about 15 minutes. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. They look like little eyeballs to me. Now I set up my station. I have a tortilla wrap. I also have kale, spinach, tomatoes, and red onions. I also decided to add some black beans, and I also made homemade garlic and cashew sauce. Stuck at wrapping a tortilla, so I did it off camera. But you guys can go ahead and do it how you like. Now it's dinner time, and we're going to be making mushroom rice. For this recipe, you're going to go ahead and add some oil to your pan, and when it's hot enough, you add mushrooms. I used about a whole package of mushrooms, so you're going to go ahead and throw that to your pan. And I'm sorry you guys, my camera cut off, but after I sauteed them, I removed them from the pan and put them aside. Then I added a tablespoon of butter, a little bit of more oil, I cut up some yellow onions and minced some garlic. I also threw in the rice and some broth, and I let it cook for about 15 minutes. So it's been about 15 minutes, and now you're going to go ahead and add the mushrooms that you put to the side and some green onions. And now you're going to let that cook for about 15 to 20 more minutes. It smells so good, you guys. So now the rice is done, and you're going to go ahead and use a fork to fluff the rice up. And that is all, you guys. So this is what I ate in a day, our lunch and our dinner, and I hope you guys enjoy this with me. These recipes were quick and easy, and of course, they're vegan.